Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm excited to share with you a simple yet very easy recipe, that is how to make homemade curd, and this is requested by my friend. So let's get started. Rinse a large pot and pour the milk to it. Bring milk to a boil on a low to medium flame. When the milk comes to a boil, then reduce the flame to a very low and allow it to simmer to 10 to 15 minutes. This enhances the flavor and also makes the curd thick. Remove from the stove and allow to cool down to lukewarm temperature. And if you want, you can dip your finger to test the temperature, and your fingers should feel warm and not hot. To introduce the culture, I'll be using this milky mist curd, and of that I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of curd in a bowl and mix it properly. This I'll be adding to the milk when it comes down to the warm temperature. Here we have to remember that we have to mix it well so that the curd has blended properly with the milk. If you want, you can transfer it into another bowl, or you can set the curd in the same pot which you had used before. Cover the milk and let it sit undisturbed in a warm place for several hours. And we had done this in the morning, that is at 10:30 a.m. You can uncover the vessel after a few hours. We did it at 9 p.m. in the evening, and this is the result that we got, a very creamy homemade curd. Now that your curd is ready, we'll add 2 to 3 spatulas of curd to it and 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you want, you can add little extra or less. Everything depends on your taste and preference. And add lots and lots of ice. If you do not want, you can skip the step. I have taken few nuts, that is almonds and cashew nuts, in this dry fruit slicer, which is very easy to use. If you want the link of this gadget, comment down below and I'll link it for you all in the description box. Also, we'll be adding this crushed nuts at the bottom of the glass. Put the lassi into it and garnish it with crushed pistachios, or even you can use the same crushed nuts which we had sprinkle at the bottom of the glass, and few strands of saffron if you all want to. Guys, using curd you can make a lot of Indian dishes like raita and dahi vada, and even meat based recipes like kebabs and biryani. If you all want, you can try out any of them, and this is one of my favorite drink, that is lassi. Thanks for watching this simple and delicious homemade curd recipe, and give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.